Greetings, I welcome you all to our revision. So we have a question here, and the question reads, the diagram below shows a triangle ABC on which AB is equal to 11.5, BC is equal to 7.2, and AC is equal to 15.1. So this is the triangle they are talking about. I believe we can all see the triangle they are talking about. Okay, in the question, the first question reads, calculate angle ABC, and this has 5 marks. Okay, so this should tell you that you shouldn't miss this question, because if you do, the chances of you getting a distinction in mathematics are reduced. Okay, so make sure that you follow attentively so that you learn on how you can answer this kind of question. Okay, so you according to the sides given, you can tell that here sine rule can't work, because sine rule works when I've been given 3 sides and 1 angle, 3 sides and 1 angle, or 2 angles and 1 side. That's where you can use sine. So here we have 3 sides and we have no angle, so this means that we should use what we call cosine rule. Okay, so let's find angle ABC. So we know that cosine rule, since we're finding angle ABC, which is angle B, it's given by the formula b squared is equal to, okay, is equal to a squared plus c squared minus these two multiplied, 2ac cos b. Okay, so this is the cosine rule. Okay, so the cosine rule, I'm going to repeat, is given by the formula b squared is equals to a squared plus c squared minus 2 ac cos b. Okay, so if you have b here, it means that you have a small letter b. You have a b here, this side is also b. If you have c, you also see this side, you have c and d. Here a, this side we have a. So let's now answer having known this. So of b squared, which one is our b? So we said that this is our b. So of b squared, so b squared, we know that b it's 15.1. So we're just going to put 15.1a. This should be squared. 15.1 squared is equal to our a, which was our a. This is our a, this side is our a. So we're going to square 7.2 squared plus our c, it's this one, 11.5 squared, 11.5 squared minus 2a, 8, which one is our a? 8, 7.1 according to this. So 7.2, sorry, 7.2. So we're going to have 2 multiplied by 7.2 multiplied by c, our c, which is 11.5 cos b. Okay, we don't know cos b, that's what we're finding. Okay, so let's now just quickly do the math here. So 15.1 squared, it will give you 15.1 squared. This will give you 228. So here we have 228.01. Okay, then you come here, 7.2 squared, 7.2 squared, it will give you 51.84 plus 11, we square also this, 11.5 squared, it will give you 132.25. okay, minus here 2 multiplied by 7.5 multiplied by 11.5. So of 2 multiplied by 7.5 multiplied by 11.5. Okay, so this will give us 172.5, and don't forget your cos b here, cos b. Okay, so we maintain our 228 this side, so we're going to have 228.01 is equal to, then here you just find the summation of this. So 51.84 plus this 132.25. So this will give us 184.09 minus this thing, which is 172.5 cos B here. Then you just correct the like terms. You take this to the to this side so that we remain with the negative 172.5 cos B. So when this comes this side, it will be negative. So we're going to have 228.01 minus this, which is 184.09, and this will give us 43.92. So here we have 43.92 is equal to negative 72 or negative 172.5 cos B. Okay, so since we're finding B, we can divide both sides by negative 172.5. So over negative 172.5. Also, this side we divide by negative 172.5. Negative 172.5. So for 43.92 divide negative 172.5. Okay, this will give you negative 0.25 is equal to cos B is equal to cos B. Okay, so for you to make B the subject formula, you can make it by writing like this. B is equal to cos inverse of negative 0.25, cos inverse of negative 0.5, and angle B, so angle is represented by this arrow. Okay, this is the sign for angle. Angle B is equal to cos inverse of negative 0.25. It will give you 104.8. Okay, 0.8 degrees. So this is angle B. Okay, angle B is 104.80 degrees. So we are a school of online lesson. In case you want to reach us, you can use this WhatsApp line. You can text us on WhatsApp line plus 260 965 15 90 865. Okay, so if you are watching this on TikTok, give it a follow so that you don't miss our next revision. And if it's on YouTube, subscribe so that you get notified when we post another question. So thanks for watching. Remember to share, because sharing is caring. I greet you.